What's up, guys? Your boy Gizzy, I'm here with
Algezano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Zerski.
We're back with another reaction video, and today we're reacting to song called what? Ndakwita. Name artist like is it Tadexx or I don't know the pronunciation.
Freeman.
Magz, Trevor, Chillmaster, Mangena, and Mandy, Ahwe.
Okay.
So you know, these days I feel like zimcelebs you don't to promote they say like
I don't go
let's compare to last year. Yeah.
Don't go my pioneer.
Exactly, because last song was what piece of seven like the remix. Although you do it also later. I mean it took on so later, like 3 weeks ago. Should we
Piece of seven?
Yeah, the remix or not the remix. Go the remix, none of film and not you all.
Okay.
Back and choice. Yeah, we'll see if it took on
I've been so out of touch.
Yeah.
I've been so out of touch.
Yeah, these days we were not available. Amazing. Yeah, and they
But regarding
the Twitter you say. So like, share, subscribe, subscribe to my voice channel. Your vibes, comment down below what you think. Yes sir. Let's get it.
Rudo rwanda imupa mwana iye Nemuda ne mapfupa singandide Ayindiona kunge bambisa kuntakinde Ngausandidaro mujolo Ngausandidaro mujolo Ngausandidaro mujolo Ngausandidaro mujolo Usandidaro mujolo
unogona uzoguma waita suicide azombolingane asiri fine vetanisare ndega moyo uri pasafe side zvanga zvondibuditsa mugwara pedza mari yese ndetoona ndakangwara ini ndaitengeswa magwarana ndososara ndichichema zverudo zvavharana nanhasanozviziva kuti akasiya moyo waakauraya asi ndakagara ndamuudza ukazobaya moyo wandiuraya zverudo ndakuitai nyaya dzemjolo indadzityai.
Alright. Okay, sorry guys. Why is it like these days people are now singing for Njolo? I see Zuturamba straight away again.
all I can say is kunzoka kusafe.
And how many songs is over this year in Gomjolo? Wonder.
Kunzoku wanaru
One.
I see friendly. I see kids game kunzo. Each man for himself and God for us all.
Hey, because we are too important in to trace up aside.
Kunzo kundoku to play first or get played.
Okay, play first. So you say it's like first come first serve, like, isn't it? You have to play first before to play.
Play first or get played. Simple as that. That's what I'm hearing. Because the streets, that's what the streets are saying.
Okay.
I'm in outside going, but in Guangun.
Yeah. Tense. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Get into the song because it's a vibe. Let's go.
Tracy aiperera kufifa everyday munhu anenge akapipa saka ndati zverudo ndakuita ndinombonyatsonzi rudo chacho ndakachishaya
Ngausandidaro mujolo Ngausandidaro mujolo Ngausandidaro mujolo Usandidaro mujolo
mwacho wandinenge ndichida ari kundichita mapics macontacts zvese ndadilita endiye tisataure mazita varume anovafolowa kunge twitter ngomogrita akumbira eya ndashogeta vanofleta akazvi admita ndikatepisa munga ndione ndakita ndakwita ndichazviita be careful pangu ungaite depression nemujolo imwe boyfriend inonzi ndi ankolo akachimaster chigame yeche mabebi anogona kuisofafanenge passport
hanzi akachimaster chigame aiwa mazono
saka pakutoda like kugona makadzi acho
aiwa mazono
know how to play the game.
aiwa mazono wakadzi vari kumberi but hanzi ndakanzwa mwe achiti wakadzi vari kumberi notaura warumboro wacatch up
okay
hanzi pese apa
saka wauroro recover
warumboro warecover hanzi manyanya tichairira
okay
and wana iva pakashata
azukuru mawani
pakashata
wakunyatsoratidza kuti tia vasukuru vaiva
pakashata and no one's the better because men I think men is a norm atatongogara but mazuvano
it's opposite.
No, it's not opposite. It's tapa same
50,
playing
50.
ground. Playing ground yakafanana.
Togona tatu vatokumbira vazukuru.
Oti mafisa anoita sei?
Mafisa afakachinja.
Mafisa usajairiri.
Mafisa afakachinja.
Gave usajairiri. But ndokutaura kuti these women out there, they've now reached the point here mafisa.
It's now 50-50. Kuti iwe unofunga kuti face inini I know how to play but the gender yacho iri opposite. Anogona turi kumberi futi.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay. Zvimunjolo Ndakwita, alright. It's okay. Let's go.
Chemucholo Ndakwita hanzi ndengo kudiroti wanga wakanfita bana vanotisiza majita musashora maadvice ashadaya kutwitter kange tiri 3 takapinwa kuwhatsapp.
This is so true. Musashore
Amayas, I'm first anotopinga.
Amayas. But anengashara mafacts.
Amaya.
Pane pambacho panengashara mafacts.
Like what? Give me one example.
I don't know, but
I
don't normally follow Shadaya.
Can I tell my facts? Why are you not following?
No, like I need to get into deep now. Like kuti no guarantee updated nizvanenge achitaura.
But
pane mamwe advice anenge achitotaurwa atoro nemusoro zvoti even women can also agree about that. What is it?
I don't know, guys. I don't know.
It is what it is.
Like I said, it doesn't make sense pointing the finger at women at this, women at that. At the same time, men are doing the same shit.
Okay. Yeah.
But
yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
But anotera Shadaya.
Pambacho anozinywa zotipisa zvake.
Problem ndeyekuti imunozotera Shadaya.
Mazombo fraiwa.
Aiwa, imunotera Shadaya. But iye kuside kwake anongatori bored. Relationship yake itori solid. But you busy out Shadaya.
Is in love with his
this man you without Shadaya. I was not winning some roses kumba.
Okay. Yeah, everybody safe.
Yeah. But I mean,
so deep is
Mzabinzi my third party my relationship.
Don't.
Yeah. So tell on the internet. Internet is internet.
It's a scam, internet. Yeah. These days it's a scam.
Mwendewe passports mwe love mwe gwa dapota boys musabai.
So zaimbwa na Magz mirrors.
Ku WhatsApp mwendewe passports mwe Shadaya can't fit. Bana vanotisiza majita musashora maadvice ashadaya ku Twitter kange tiri 3 takapinwa ku WhatsApp mwendewe passports mwe love mwe gwa dapota boys musabai wane makeup
no zvandiri kutaura
ndiyo masports ndiyo gwap I don't know which thing.
When the HCAF. I say HCAF.
Where's HCAF?
I say HCAF. Pane HCAF.
Ish.
Pane we
4.
Pane my vacation food.
5.
Pane we
Because there's airtime, go up, my sports, vacation.
I have airtime too much more sports.
Okay.
I have seen as airtime.
So what vacation?
Pane vacation. Pane we my surprise.
So my surprise.
Pane we hair and makeup.
Okay.
Pane my sports.
Okay.
Then pane one order.
Oh yeah. The main.
Pane one order, but
Amude. Exactly. Okay, it's opposite.
Yeah.
Shit. Because what say peace is okay, it's okay.
But in the name phones. Yeah, Michael Magz na young Gemini.
What's going on?
I don't know that the Michael Magz should be a songwriter only and not make music.
This is a young Gemini.
And his flow, his consistency is the same.
I change it.
Basically, his delivery. I mean, I'm going to write a song, right?
Okay.
And after
As a young Gemini, I started up this podcast here.
Yeah.
I think I should go and watch it. Shit. That's
But
deep.
I mean,
Yo.
in Rwanda, personally, from what I saw by district Chakakanda, Japin Flow, Michael Magz are so good.
If you saw the video, yeah, saying that she did it. I don't forget to.
Michael Magz.
That guy is talented. Like, yeah. And to say, I guess, to a young Gemini, but I don't know. The guy, I would say, I guess, like.
But, well,
I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, man.
Manikidze ukona zvakuita mahiccups hazvina basa une bands kana pickup rudo motosimba imbozama ima-setups zverudo zvinokubinza muguta ndazvitaura musati hapana wandaudza zverudo ndakuita kausandidaro mujolo zverudo ndakuita kausandidaro mujolo zverudo ndakuita kausandidaro mujolo usandidaro mujolo lo mntwana ungiphetera angiyakutshela ungizalero engivisa snaps every morning abandivisa mufungwa zakhe anouya ndimpe zemujolo anjade wonkathele senkathele kausandidaro mujolo kausandidaro mujolo kausandidaro mujolo ndakwita ndaenda usandidaro mujolo kara wakwita waisagona kana kunanganisa zvese zvawaita waingokanganisa beta uenda pana chakumisa you were insecure.
That's Mandy Ahwe.
But umana zvoti zvese zvawaita dzaunanganisa zazodaro guys kona ndo problem man.
No problem, man. This jet, because
akazoda kupinda hati
anopinda neyo hati.
hanzi hapana zvaigona zvese zvawaitraya zvairamba. Guys apa mufeza anonga achifirira kutenga manews.
Imagine.
Firira kukuendesa.
But ukamgoita one small mistake akutongokuti zvese chichi which means paingorama thank you angore fake.
Pakaipa.
Yeah, this world.
Now I feel like problem we are addressing this situation as Mjolo. We still have that mindset Mjolo. Ngatimboti toda kupinda relationship. Kwete Mjolo. Ngatimboite relationship.
Thing is, manje, if you want to start that relationship you want it. Zvakutodependa ufana kunamata kuti usangane nemunhu waritodo relationship because at the moment relationship iyoyo zvaruda inongona kuzotena into mujolo iye wacho iye wachasangana naye ichazokuita mujolo So Satuta.
Hurt people.
I know it is what it is.
Trauma.
Trauma. Shit.
Trauma. But I'm just end up cancelling.
Cancelling. Do cancel on them.
And I cancelling. Trauma.
You are even cancelling as changes.
You never know, guys. You never know.
Anyways, can I know? Alright, never mind.
You never know.
They will say in the comment section, do you kind of cancel or change again?
Hey, you never know.
It is what it is.
You were immature. Can I make sure I was okay? Zimjolo, I was a good. Kunwatinosi atakuparadza kunge biyara nezuro takuraraza tinokusakadza tinovhura umbe gara watosimba umbe.
I used to call him Mamacita, Ichipanana Masita. I never thought.
Is it just because verse was a bit more harsh than the rest of the verses? From from the heart. You know, heartbreak is trending.
Exactly.
But from the bottom of the heart.
I feel like past relationship
from the bottom of the heart. You know, what's a paper about the penny rungo flower? I was talking about
Hands it no for why is it? Immature. Anyways, it's okay, it's okay.
Look at you now, you're chasing clout. After hurting me like this, you're feeling proud. Put down my life from Mount Kaparasai.
Tadexx, ayendiona kungebambisa kungatinde.
My emotions are
it is what it is.
Trauma.
Because every artist I'm going mjolo.
Why? Trauma.
Why? Anyways, that's it for the reaction video, guys. Just comment down below. It is what it is.
Yes, sir.
So